are very thirsty children today. Let me drink some water. Water. Water is very important for us. Without water, we cannot live. Isn't it, children? We always need to drink water. And we use water in every day of our life. Before telling you why we use water, what are the uses of water, I will tell you something about the forms of water. See, drinking water is in liquid form. This is the water in liquid form. And see here, what is this? This is ice. What is this? Ice. Ice is the water in solid form. Water in solid form. Now, you might have gone to the kitchen sometime to your mama, isn't it? And mama is making tea. And when mama makes the tea, mama put the vessel on the oven and she warm the water. And what happens when she warms the water? Now see here. When she warms the water, can you see what is coming out? What is coming out? Can you see? This is the steam coming out. And steam or the water vapor. Steam or water vapor is the gas form of water. This is the gas form of water. Can you see the steam coming out? This is the gas form of water. See it very carefully, children. It's a gas form of water. Can you see the steam coming out? Yes. This is the steam coming out. This is the gas form of water. Now, I have shown you 3 forms of water. First is the liquid form of water, solid form of water, and steam is the gas form of water. So, you have learned 3 forms of water. Now, I will tell you a nice thing. I will show you one nice thing. Want to see that nice thing? A magic will happen. Want to see the magic? Just wait. I will show you. See children, this is a glass of water. And what is the color of the water? There's no color in the water, isn't it? But sometimes when you draw, you put what color? Blue color in the water. Yes, you will say, teacher, sea's color is blue. So, why I will not put blue color in the water? Because, you know why the sea's color is blue? Because the sky above the sea is blue in color. And the sea reflects the color of the sky. That is why sea appears blue. Sea looks blue. But the color of the water is not blue. The color of the water is colorless. Now I will show you through a magic. You want to see the magic? See, I have 2 jars. What is the color of the water in the 2 jars? Is colorless. There is no color. Now I will put some color to it. Now see what happens. When I am putting the color, can you see what is happening? Yes. The color become violet. This color of the water became violet. Now see, one more jar, I will put another color. Let's see what happens to that color. Now see, what is the color? The color is red. The color is becoming red. So from this, what you come to know, children? The water takes the color whatever you add. It do not have any color. Whatever color you put, the water takes the color of it. So we came to know that water is colorless. It has show you something more about water. You like to see? Yes, just wait and see. Now children, you want to see another one? Just watch what I am doing. I am pouring water. Water flows from one place to another. See, I am pouring in this bowl. I am pouring in this glass. I am pouring in this small little bowl. Now, what you see? The water is in this shape. This water is in this shape. And what happens to this water? This water took the shape of the bowl. And this water took the shape of this small little tiny bowl. So what we see is that water takes different shapes. It has no shape of its own. It takes the shape where you pour. The container or a glass or wherever you pour the water, it takes the shape of that thing. So water itself do not have any shape. So from this we come to conclude water do not have any shapes. Now I will show something else. You want to see? Just see. Watch and see what I am going to show you. I want to show you one thing more about water. Now sometimes we play with the paper boat. Now if I put the paper boat in water uptake, see what happened? See, the paper boat is floating in the water. The paper boat is floating in the water, isn't it? And now see, I am going to put this stone inside the water. I will put this stone inside the water. Let's see what happened with this stone. Oh, it has gone down. It is sinking in the water. Is it floating? No. The stone is heavy. That is why it is sinking in the water. The paper boat is light. The paper boat is light. That is why it is floating in the water. So we have learnt another thing, children, isn't it? Now let's recap one more time what we have learnt till now. First of all, we have learnt water has three forms. What are the three forms of water? Solid, that is the ice. Liquid, that is the state we drink. And the fourth one is the steam. That is the third one is the steam. That is the gaseous form of water. So we have three forms of water. The second one, what we have seen? We have seen water is colorless. It has no color of its own. It is colorless. And then what we have seen? We have seen water takes the shape of the vessel which you pour in. It has no shape of its own. It has no shape of its own. And lastly, we have seen in water some things float and some things sink in the water. So, children, you have seen so many things about water. Don't you feel water is important? Yes, water is very important in our life. Without the water, we cannot live. Even human beings, the animals, the bird and the fish, they cannot live without water. They always need water to live. So, we should not waste water. You have learnt in one rhyme. Do not waste water. So, if you don't want to waste the water, what you should remember? You should remember to close the tap immediately after the use. Close the tap immediately after the use. So, children, don't waste water. Save water. Thank you very much.